Hello everyone, this is Chubby Berry here. Okay, so now I'm going to start a series called Ali Die of the Day. So what I'm going to do is that introduce the die and what I have been using. So previously what I'm doing is like the Aliexpress haul. So probably now I can show you more of what is being used for those die that I've bought. So let's start for today that I'm going to show you the leaf die. This is a very pretty die that I really love it a lot. So this is how it looks like when it cuts out. And I love those little stripes that make it so realistic for it. So as you can see over here, I've mixed a little flower to be embellished on it. So this is with rhinestone. Then for this one, I have used the Daiso clay as the centerpiece. So I love this a lot. So moving onwards, I'm going to show you how I use the die to create all these little flowers. So first of all, I'm going to move this aside. We'll need at least two pieces of flower. You can use any of your existing ones. For me, I'm using the EK Success 1-inch punch. You can also use the I found this one, the Daiso one, is also not bad. You can make all those little flowers. But for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you what I made using the EK Success one. So this is very simple. All I need to do is I'm going to curl this thing up so that it pops up. So if you are using like pattern paper, the pattern side should be facing downwards and the non-pattern should be facing up. For mine is I watercolor it, so both sides is the same. Okay, so here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to like around it. So you just slowly go around it. So when you do this, it will actually pop it up upwards. So just go through all the petal, and once done, flip it over and press it at the center. So you'll get something quite natural, like there's some volume in it. So we're going to do the next one. So for this one, I'm going to put it at right at the bottom, so I don't really curl it a lot. For this one, I'm going to put it at the top. So what I'm going to do is make a deeper impression on it. So just add some pressure. So you can see the small little cupping over here. And then we're going to flip over and we're going to make a circular movement until it is more of the thing, like the cupping is more upwards. If you compare these two, this is like flipping more upwards while this is more flat. So this is what I'm going to do, and depend on what you really like, so you just keep doing this. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna add some glue to it, and we're going to alternate the petal and just press it on. Okay, and I'm going to choose the Daiso clay that I have prepared earlier. I just randomly choose a ball size, and all I have to do is squeeze a big drop of white glue. Any glue is okay, or you can use the glue gun, but because this is so small, I'm worried that it's like my glue gun will actually overflow, so I don't really use glue gun for this. So just put it at the center and let it dry. So I'm not afraid of like putting too much, as this one dries clear. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the flower leaf out, and I try to see what are the design I really wanted to put at. Probably somewhere here. I think I like to put it at over here, so that it looks like, yeah. And I'm going to remove this too because it's a bit too much of green leaf, so you can actually save it for the next project. So what I'm going to do is snip it off. I'm going to snip right at here. Alright, then with this one, okay, so to glue the flowers on, I have decided that I wanted to put it here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the glue. And I will just put it on. Okay, so we'll just let it dry, and once it dries, we'll have a very pretty flower with a green leaf. So you can make a few of it and prepare for any projects that you want. So this is all I wanted to show today. So I hope you like this little tutorial show for today, and look out more for my Ali die of the day. Thank you, bye.